Good morning everyone, it's a pleasure for me to stay here in Australia with Croplands team. So today we will explain a bit about the Imperador 4000. So the Imperador 4000 is the main product of Stara in spraying solutions. It's the best spraying solution in the market. Uh, Mounted with center booms, with middle mounted booms that keeps 58% more chemicals on the right position on the target. So also that machine have the Stara continuous recirculation system that keeps the chemicals running through all the booms inside of the tank for keeping the moisture more equalized on the tank. Also that machine is equipped with the Stara special 4-wheel steering that keep all of the trucks at the same way. This 4-wheel steering will provide 45% less crop damage on the fields because the machine is running through the same track. Also that machine is equipped with 295 horsepower Cummins engine. Hydraulic parts, all of the hydraulic parts is Bosch solution, so it's the best what to have on the market. And that machine also is equipped with a frontal refilling pump that is quick, easy for refilling all the tank on the machine. So all that solutions, all that things is now available with Croplands here in Australia. So the filling station is equipped with 45-liter filling station that can pre-mixing all of the chemicals before go inside of the tank, and also have the special cleaning bottles, so we don't need to have any contact with the chemicals inside with that. All of the valves and everything is on that side, so it's very easy and quickly to change for refilling and also for start with the spraying part.
As well as our filling station here, up under here where we have a protective cover, we have our 2 flow meters, so measuring our flow going out, measuring our flow coming back in, so then we get a much more accurate rate. We also have a stainless steel hydro pump. It's in here, that is standard. All of our electronics are hiding back up under here as well. The clearance under this machine, it's a very clean underbody. It's 1.6 metres of clearance under the machine, and we have an option for a lift kit to go in, which will give us 2 metres of lift under the machine. So once again, an extremely clean underbody if you compare to a lot of our opposition.
So now we speak about the cabin, all of the features that we have in the cabin to make comfy for the operators. So the machine is equipped with the digital AC, radio, Bluetooth, and also all of the Stara technology on the Topper 5500. So that machine have all of the Stara own technology, so it's not developed for any other company. It's Stara technology. So on the Topper we have all of the features about the machine, all of the configurations. So the Topper maybe is the brain and the heart about the machine. Everything is only in one screen, so it's make clean view on the cab. And also the mid-mountain booms give you one very good view from the cab to the booms, because you can see everything straight from the cab. Also that machine is equipped with the Stara connector system. That's a feature, that's a technology that can give you from the farmer the opportunity to fix it, all of the things that can happen with the machine. So more than 90% of the problems we can fix it from the cab here with the connector system. And also the Topper is very friendly for everything, and also have the follow-up system that you can starting to follow to see what the machine is asking about the something that is happening with the machine. So all of the configuration is here, all of the technology is just in one cab, and is Stara technology.
The Topper 5500 is based on an Android system, so it's unlike a normal touch screen that our other GPS competitors have. The Topper 5500 can take Trimble and John Deere straight up, so it's an easy fit. We can upload all of our maps, run online through that. It is a very simple screen. There are 9 screens that you can slide through. You can set up the screen however you want. The 4-wheel steer that's operating, there's a button within the Topper. Once you're above 15 kilometres an hour, that will disengage 4-wheel steer and keep you on. And then once you're below 15 k's, 4-wheel steer will re-engage. The Topper is an extremely simple controller. Most farmers that have demoed this machine now have turned around and just love the simplicity and ease and how quiet the machine is. The other beauty of the Stara, sitting up here in the cab, great visibility, you're right over your front wheel, so beautiful comfortable ride through airbag chassis. There's 48 inches of twist in the chassis rail, which is huge for the Australian conditions. So extremely comfortable, easy machine to operate in, great visibility. So I'd like to thank Miguel for taking us through that wrap up and understanding of the Stara Imperador 4000.